Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Vanguard One title in PUBG Mobile. This unique title is a special recognition, not something you can simply unlock by completing missions or reaching a certain rank. It is reserved for players who actively contribute to the game's community and development. We will explore the specific pathways to potentially earn this prestigious title. The Vanguard One title is often granted to official PUBG Mobile influencers, creators, and community members. These individuals are recognized for their outstanding content, active community engagement, and overall support for the game. For instance, community moderators who complete monthly missions and rank highly may receive this title, reflecting their dedication and impact. To be considered for the Vanguard One title, players typically need to demonstrate consistent and valuable contributions. This could involve being a highly active and helpful member of official communities, or even serving as a top reporter or moderator. These roles involve supporting other players and maintaining a positive game environment, which is highly valued by PUBG Mobile. It is important to understand that the Vanguard One title is not a permanent reward for most recipients. It is often granted for a limited period, such as 60 days. This title is a direct acknowledgement of a player's significant support and involvement with the PUBG Mobile ecosystem, distinguishing it from other titles earned through typical gameplay achievements.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.